Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to insert text overlays in the Edits app. All right. As you can see here, I have a sample just for you to see. Now, to create a new one, for example, just go ahead and add in an image. All right. As your background or base. Now, for example, I wanted to add in this logo right here. All right. There you go. Now I'm going to add in maybe this photo with a text overlay. So what do? Just go ahead and tap on cutout. All right, this one. Just tap on it. Now go ahead and add in the photo. For example, this one. I'm going to tap on the check mark. Wait for it to load. And once done, as you can see, it is now selected. The image. If you want to manually select, go ahead and tap on select manually. All right, if you have multiple objects right here in the photo. Now, once that's done, just hit on the done button right here at the bottom right. Just tap on it. As you can see, it's now selected. All right. Now I'm going to move it at the top right here because I'm going to add in some text. What we're going to do is just add in some text right here at the bottom left. Text, maybe answer ASAP. Like that. I'm going to change the font, maybe bubble. Okay. I'm going to hit on the done button at the top. I'm going to make it smaller like that. I'm going to go back to editing and move the text right here at the bottom. Tap and hold, move it. There you go. That's basically how you do it. Okay. I'm going to play the video. Here's the first sample. The second one. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.